Dear students, today's topic is multidimensional data model. Data warehouse and OLAP tools are based on the multidimensional data model, which can view the data in the form of data cube. So, what is data cube? Data cube allows the data to be modeled and viewed in multiple dimensions, and it is defined by dimensions and facts. So, what is dimensions? Dimensions are the entities or perspective with respect to which the organization want to keep the record. For example, all electronics may want to create a data warehouse for the sales, for the subject sales. So it keep the records of the store sales with respect to the dimension, time, item, branch, and location. So this dimension are having the attributes and that are defined by the dimension table. For example, the dimension table item have the attributes item name, brand, then type, then location is having a street number, location, then city. So like this there are various dimension for each dimension table, and these dimension tables are organized around the central theme that is called as the cells, and that cells is represented by the facts. Okay, so the fact table is having the keys as well as some measures like the dollar sold and uh, uh, units sold. So these are the measures. Suppose we want to keep the record of the all electronics for the location Vancouver, where the dimensions are item and time. So the time is aggregated according to the quarters, where one quarter is equal to 3 months. So the 12 months are divided into 4 quarters, and items are at home, entertainment, computer, phone, and security. So this is the 2D view for the all electronic store. But suppose I want to view this data in the third view, means if suppose I want to view the data of multiple locations like Chicago, New York, Toronto, and Vancouver. So this is the table, but this table is very big. So instead of representing the data into the table, we use the data cube, in which we can view the data in multiple dimensions. So this is the multidimensional data model, in which the data is modeled in the form of data cube, where the dimensions are item, time, and location. Okay, so the time is aggregated according to the quarters Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Items are home, entertainment, computer, phone, and security. Location may be Vancouver, Toronto, New York, and Chicago. And these are the dollars sold of that particular item. Okay, suppose I want to view the dollar sold of Vancouver city of the item computer in the quarter 1. So it is this 825. So what is 825? 825 is the dollar sold of the item computer for the quarter Q1 of Vancouver city. So likewise we can view the data in multiple dimension. So this dimension is for the item, this dimension is for the quarters, and this is for the location dimensions. So this is the multidimensional data model, in which we can view the data in multiple dimensions.